What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple method that would help you to grow up your bald hair. It's gonna grow back your split ends and your fallen hair. So subscribe, thumbs up and share this video. Alright guys, so to treat bald hair we're going to be making use of coffee. Now you can actually use Nescafe or you can use coffee seed and grind it into powder form. Okay, now because the ingredient in coffee helps to treat the hair follicles, as such it therefore helps to grow back your lost edges, and it also helps in repairing damaged and fallen hair. It increases the hair. Blend your coffee. That's if you have the coffee seeds. So if you have the powder of one like this, it's perfect. And also we're going to be making use of vitamin E capsule, or you can make use of vitamin E oil. Okay, anyone you lay your hand on, you can make use of it. Here I have the vitamin E oil, but I'm going to be making use of the capsule today. Now this helps in repairing the hair and it gives the hair strength and volume. It therefore helps to repair a damaged and fallen hair. Okay. And now you can put in 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E if you're making it much, but in this one I'm just going to be putting in 1 capsule. So I'm going to be pressing in the liquid. And also we're going to be needing some lemon essential oil. Now you have to use lemon essential oil guys if you have one. Okay, this is one great natural oil that helps to get into the hair follicles, and it will therefore help in growing up your bald hair and your lost edges. Very necessary for this. Now for the lemon oil, I'm going to be needing just a little bit of that. Okay, you don't need too much of the lemon oil guys, just a little will go a long way. Or you can actually put in like 6 to 7 drops. And the last ingredient which we're going to be needing for this is going to be orange. Now using the orange zest or the orange juice itself is going to be very perfect and beneficial for the hair, because it's going to treat dandruff, it's going to help to grow back lost edges, and it's going to make your hair longer and thicker. Alright, and now we're just going to cut in the orange. Okay, and in this I'm gonna be needing the orange juice itself, so I'm gonna be squeezing that. So I'm gonna be squeezing it so that none of the fiber of this orange would get into it. Okay, so it doesn't like hang on the hair. Okay, the orange is actually kind of difficult to squeeze because of the harmattan here. Alright, so after that is done, you're just going to put in the orange juice inside of the coffee, and then you're just going to stir it. Now you can add up water if it's actually too small for your hair volume. Okay, you can add up a little more water. Okay, now you have to stir it so that all of the coffee dissolves into the orange water. Now if you can't get all to dissolve, you can just strain it out, just like mine now. I can't get all of this to dissolve, so I'm gonna strain it out. Alright, to apply it on your edges or in your hair scalp to regrow your hair back. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to be using like every day. If you're trying to grow back your edges, you can actually rub this every day or 5 times in a week. Alright, and like trust me, your hair is just going to grow back really fast and really quick, because this is one ingredient that helps so much. Now you can Google about coffee, you know how it is. Coffee is a natural remedy that helps so much to grow back hair.